All right, so if we look at section 2.8, this is chain rule, and we're going to find the second derivative, higher derivatives, second derivative evaluated at 2. So the first derivative looks like this. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to rewrite this as 1 plus x cubed to the power of 1/2. See that? Because of the square root sign? So that's going to make the power rule just a little bit easier if you want to show that. You don't have to, but. So this is going to be 1/2 times 1 plus x cubed to the power of 1/2 minus 1 now. So that's negative 1/2. And then we're going to multiply by the derivative of the inside. There's the chain rule part, which is going to be 3x squared. Okay? Everyone see what I did there? So this is 3 over 2 x squared times 1 minus x cubed to the negative 1/2. Now, if you want to simplify this, you can, but we're going to take another derivative here. So let's just leave fractional exponents and everything. Let's just leave all that. So the second derivative now, if I want to take the second derivative, what I have to do is I have to look at this like two functions. This one times this one. Then I'm going to use the power rule. So I'm going to use the power rule, and then of course this function here is a function inside a function. There's the inner function and here's the outer function. So I'm going to do chain rule in here. Okay? So derivative of the first. Bring the 2 down there. This is 3x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Derivative of the first times the second. Plus the first, leave it alone, times the derivative of the second. So did we just do this already? Right? We just kind of did that, or no, there's a minus there. Oh, did I copy that down wrong? Or is that right? Did anyone see this? No, I just didn't. I didn't copy that down wrong. Okay, so it's really the exact, it's the original function, right? This is? Correct? Nope. And negative 1/2? Okay. So it's not the original function. All right, I thought we could do some shortcut there. You guys are a lot of help. Is this right? Mm-hmm. Whoa, no. Is this the original function? Yep. No. Okay. All right, so the derivative is negative 1/2. So I'll bring this down to the front. Leave that alone inside. Negative 3 over 2 times the derivative of what's inside, 3x squared. Now, we've stopped and we've started and we've noticed mistakes and everything. Is there anything else we've done wrong here so far? Does this look okay? So derivative of the first times the second, plus the first times the derivative of the second. Negative minus 1, leave that alone, 3x squared. Okay? Now, the good thing about this is, okay, don't look at this and start to cry yet, because we don't have to simplify it. Okay? No, we don't. We don't have to simplify it. Look at. Well, look at. I'm looking for this. So all I need to do is I need to substitute 2 in wherever I see x. See that? Still getting a cramp writing all this, but you know. If you were doing this on your own, you could shorten this up and not, you could do some of this in your head. Like you could write 6 instead of 3 bracket 2, right? But I'm just showing you so that you know what I'm doing. So this is 6 times what? 1 minus 8 to the negative 1/2. That's not good. Why is that? Why is that not good? Something's not good here. 1 minus, or did I write that as plus? That was supposed to be plus. Fix that, but didn't fix this. 1 plus. There we go. That's much better. Because I was going to have to take the square root of a negative here. Right? I know. Exactly. That's terrible. So, again, copy error. Make sure that's correct. So, yeah, no real solution. So, but in this case, though, it's 1 plus 8. Okay. And then to the negative 1/2. So that's actually 1 over root 9. You with me there? So this is 3 times 4 over 2. That's 12 over 2 is 6. Times, goodness, Okay, so this is 9 to the power of negative 3 over 2. So what's that? It's just 1 over 27. I know. And then 12 times 12. I did that in my head, but I could be wrong. You should use a calculator. So, double check. 3 over 2 times 4 is 4. 2 is 12. Right? Negative 1/2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 over the square root of 9 is 3. 3 cubed is 27. 12. Okay? So this is 6 times 1 over 3, right? What's 6 over 3? 2. This is, well, plus a negative. So 6 over 2 is negative 3. Times 12 is 36 over 27. Okay, 2 is actually 54 over 27. So what's 54 minus 36? 18? 18 over 27, is that the correct answer? Please say yes. Oh, I could simplify this, sorry. What's that, 6 over 9? What? Oh, yeah. What's that, 2 thirds? So 2 thirds?
Wow.
Tell me it is.
What is this for?
What question are we doing? 2 thirds? Okay, good.
Good question.
Okay, do you have a question about this?
No.
So everyone understand what happened here? Let's just wait for your other question. This question, does that help? You asked about this? Yeah. Okay. So again, make sure you copy your plus signs and everything. And you know what? If what happened here was I saw this and I didn't. This was a negative. It should have been a plus. So that's 1 minus 8. That's negative 7, and I got to take the square root of it. So I was like, Well, it could be that there's no value for this. It could be does not exist or undefined. But you want to make sure you double check that if you run into some bad math. Make sure it's not a copy error. Okay. Any other questions about this one?
Where did you get 1 over 27?
Where did I get 1 over 27? Okay, that's the 1 over 27 is actually this part right here. Okay, so this inside here is 1 plus 8, and then to the negative 3 over 2, which means that's 1 over 2 is square root and then cubed. So that's 1 over square root 9, which is 3 cubed. That's 1 over 3 cubed. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's a good question. Any other questions about that one?